Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new 2021 325 Conquest. This boat just arrived and it's got the all-new lightweight 300 horsepower V8s, beautiful fold-out rear stern seat, the optional port side seat, summer kitchen package. As we move into the cockpit, you'll see the new design where it allows at least 3 people to face forward and converts into an L-shaped lounger if you prefer that instead. Got a nice little wet bar, great electronics including joystick piloting, 2 12-inch screens, got the optional port lights, half glass windows. As you move down into the cabin, got a beautiful V-berth, nice galley, stand-up head, got the entertainment package with a television, great size mid-cabin, everything you need for a great day in the water and some overnights. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat in our inventory, you can call me, Dan Thompson, 978-375-1584. Hope you have a great day and look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye.